Hello dear students. Today in this video we will discuss chapter 3 articles. What are articles? Articles are used to indicate whether a noun is specific or not. There are 3 articles: a, and, the. These articles have been categorized as indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles. A or an is indefinite articles. They do not point out any particular or definite person, place or thing. For example, a book, a European, a one-eyed man, an MLA, an hour late. Definite article. The is definite article. It points out a particular person or thing. For example, the Himalayas, the sun, the Times of India, the Sikhs, etc. Uses of article a. A is used first before a common noun beginning with a consonant and has a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a pen, a table, a river, a hill, etc. Second, before a word beginning with U and even when U is giving the consonant sound of YU. For example, a union, a university, a unique, a European, etc. Third, before the word one, which begins with the consonant sound WA. For example, a 1 rupee, a one-eyed man, etc. Fourth, before a word beginning with H and the letter sounds H. Example, a hero, a hospital, a horse, a hen, etc. Uses of article an. An is used first before a word beginning with vowel and has a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, an inkpot, an eagle, etc. Second, before a word beginning with a silent H. For example, an honest man, an hour, an hair, etc. Third, before abbreviations. For example, an MLA, an MP, an SDO, an FIR, an X-ray, etc. These abbreviations though start with consonants but they have vowel sound. Hence, an is used before them. Uses of article the. The is used first before a particular person or thing or one already referred. For example, the book you purchased is interesting. Second example, this is the school where we studied. Second, before a common noun in singular number which is used to indicate a whole class or kind. For example, the cow gives milk. The dog is faithful animal. Third, before common noun unique of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, etc. Fourth, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges and groups of islands. For example, the Ganga, the Bay of Bengal, the Pacific Ocean, etc. Fifth, before the names of newspapers and holy books. For example, the Times of India, the Bible, etc. Sixth, before adjectives in the superlative degree. For example, Amit is the best dancer in the class. Some more uses of the article the. First, before the names of races or nations. For example, the Hindus, the Muslims, etc. Second, before ordinal numeral adjectives. For example, the second boy in the row is my brother. Third, before the directions. For example, Kashmir is in the north of India. Fourth, before the names of musical instruments. For example, I know how to play the violin. He plays the guitar. Fifth, before empires, dynasty, historical ages, and events. For example, the Mughal Empire, the Gupta dynasty, etc. Sixth, before a well-known buildings. For example, the India Gate, the Lotus Temple, etc. Omission of articles, or we can say no articles. The article is not used in the following context. First, before proper nouns such as name of countries, cities, persons, mountain peaks, days of the week, months of the year. For example, India, Mumbai, Mahatma Gandhi, Mount Abu, Sunday, January, etc. Second, before the names of languages, arts, subjects, diseases. For example, I can speak English fluently. Third, before the names of materials. For example, my ring is made of gold. Fourth, before abstract nouns used in general sense. For example, honesty is the best policy. Fifth, before common nouns. For example, father, mother, brother, sister, etc. Sixth, before uncountable noun. For example, water is useful for life. Tea is without sugar. A point to be noted: if the nouns are particularized, we have to use article the before them. For example, the water of the river is clean. The tea of Assam is very popular.